Have you noticed that creating a new Gmail account has become almost impossible lately? It's like Google is guarding a secret treasure. Every time you try to sign up, that annoying phone verification screen pops up. But why is Google doing this? Well, they want to make sure you aren't a robot or a spammer. They use your phone number to prove you are a real human. But what if you've already used your number too many times? Or what if you just don't want to give your private number to every account you make? It feels like you're stuck, right? This video is for all of you who have been struggling for weeks to make even one or two extra accounts. I have good news. You don't need any fancy VPNs or complicated computer settings. I'm going to show you a very simple trick that you can do right now on your smartphone. You just need to follow a few easy steps, and you'll be able to create a few accounts without that verification wall stopping you. First, look at the screen. We've all seen this. You try to make an account and it asks for a number. This is a familiar scene to everyone. To stop this from happening, we need to do some quick cleaning. First of all, remove the old Gmail accounts from your phone. If you want to keep your main personal account, that is okay. Next, go to your app settings, find the Gmail app and clear the cache and storage. This makes the app feel brand new. Finally, restart your phone to give everything a fresh start. Now let's try to make the account the normal way you usually do it. Tap on Create Account and select for my personal use. Type in a name of your choice. Set your date of birth and select your gender. Now choose one of the addresses they give you or create your own unique one. Add a strong password and hit the next button. Wait for a moment, and here it comes. The familiar, this may take a few moments screen. If you wait a bit, there it is, the page asking you to verify your phone number. Now what happens generally is that you people just let it go. You think that it is impossible now to create an account. But that is just a lack of experience. Look at the bottom of the screen and you will see a verify button. Just hit it. Wait for a moment. And you will see the this may take a few moments screen again. But if you wait just a few more seconds, you will be surprised to see that your account has been created. You will see the review your account screen. Now, you can proceed with the rest of the formality. And just like this simple trick, you will be able to create a few Gmail accounts. You can even create a second Gmail account like this as well. Just wait and see. Another Gmail account is made the same way. If this simple trick worked for you, let me know. Thanks for watching.